Hello everybody! Today I am going to the Utah Ren Fair. I don't actually know if that is what that one is. Ren Fair in August, there's one in October, and this is like the May-June one. So I'm going to the May-June one right now. It is a beautiful, partially cloudy day, thank goodness. Oh my gosh, there's a bird on my balcony and Klaus is freaking out. Anyways, so I'll be going there today. I'm gonna go meet at a friend's house and we're all going to kind of like road trip up there. I'm going with some friends from my sword fighting class. If you don't know, I do HEMA, which is Historical European Martial Arts. So I'm going with some friends from that, which is gonna be super fun. Go downstairs and I made this last night. So I'm gonna go take some photos of my hard work and then we'll get going. Even a Ren Fair if you don't have a belt bag on.
You just need the five. The five.
I'm gonna try this. This is called Arches Apple. It's supposed to resemble like kind of like Mead. I'm not a big soda person. It's really good.
Hey, lay on.
Oh, sword grabbing.
That arm.
Walked around, done like a little bit of shopping and whatnot, and now we're gonna go watch the Booher fight in armor.
You ladies are interested in joining?
That was really fun. I stopped and had some meat at the end and we just talked to some random people, and that was really wholesome. It is like super dusty. There's just dust like everywhere. Like, I don't know, you can't like leave your eyes open and look at today's away from it. But now we're heading back to Salt Lake. So I actually drove back to Salt Lake with my friends and I'm going back to my place. I'm just, like I said, waiting for my Dutch Bros drink. But it was insanely fun. We didn't stay there the whole day. We had people that had to go places. But it was super fun. The Booher people are always super fun to watch. By Booher, I mean the armored combat. That's basically what I do HEMA, so that's like, I don't want to say like more technical, but like more technical, like we're not hitting as hard and stuff like that's more controlled. When Booher, they go all in, which is honestly really fun and really cool. So I did that, and then I had a Mead. I didn't show it much on camera because we were talking, there was like a couple across from my group that we were talking to that actually like lived in Germany for a while, and they were impressed because somebody in my traveling party was a brewer for their career, is a brewer, and they could pronounce the beer names correctly, and they were like super impressed, like, wow, nobody else knows how to do that. Super cool tavern experience, you know. There was also some dancers dancing at the end. That was pretty cool. We found some friends, and it was a pretty fun event. I'm hoping I'll go back one other time this summer, probably in something more fantasy, but this outfit was really cute. We got some compliments. I felt really pretty, and it was pretty comfortable despite it being so hot. I think it was very dusty and very windy too, but besides that, it was a pretty good day at the Ren Fair. So I had a great time, and I'm really excited for next time. I have a goal of finding the closest one possible to Utah. That is, I wonder if I can find the footage that is the most green covered, like immersive, maybe even permanently constructed Ren Fair. That's like a personal goal of mine. I think this one's the closest I've found so far in Utah. So it's really fun. I had a really great time, and I'm super excited to go back in the future. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Thank you for watching.